The house was built in 2003. It was 2016 at the time, and there were several shingles, so to speak, on the roof that were peeled up and starting to break off. We are also putting an extension on the garage at the same time, and the contractor said, Adrian, you probably should do something about that roof because it's going to start to leak soon.
So my daughter lives just up the hill with a couple of other homes like this that are nice. So I kept seeing this one, the roof going bad despair.
And so John laid out his display of all the different types he had, and we were thinking that the cost of the job using metal versus tar shingles there's a great difference. However, we're hoping and we're planning on that the difference is worth the cost. We decided that this is the one we wanted, the one with the, it gives you the Mediterranean style. It reminds us of when we were in Portugal or even down south in Florida.
The roof is large. It has lots of hills and valleys.
Our installation manager, Gilles, he accommodated every concern, and the prep work that he did after and the finishing touches, they all came out to be spectacular.
When we saw that the roof looked constructed beautifully and the color was marvelous, I was really pleased, and we've had so many compliments from people that say that it looks really nice and it enhances the house, that, yeah, we're really happy that it's done now. Yeah, good choice.
I know that every time I see this house coming up and down the street, I slow down just to have another look. That's how nice it is.
When you look at houses, you seldom ever look at a house and say, what a great roof. You know, it's always like, oh, look, the flower beds are beautiful, it's well maintained. But I think when people can come by here and they just might say, what a great looking roof.